After resetting your Spectrum cable box, like the XI6 or newer models, you might see a black screen or an authorization failed error, like AUR 700 or no signal. This happens because the box needs to re-verify its connection with Spectrum's servers. Don't worry, it's usually a simple fix. First, try a basic power cycle. Unplug the box from the power outlet for a full 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Check your HDMI cable connection to ensure it's secure. If that doesn't work, the issue is likely an authorization problem, which we will dive into in the next section. If power cycling didn't resolve the issue, you need to reauthorize your cable box. The easiest method is through the Spectrum app on your smartphone. Download the Spectrum app on iOS or Android. The app features AI-driven diagnostics that can often fix authorization issues automatically. Look for the Troubleshoot or Reauthorize option within the app. Alternatively, reauthorize directly through your cable box menu. Use your remote to navigate to the Settings menu and look for an Authorize or Activation option. If these self-help methods don't work, contact Spectrum support through the app's chat feature. Spectrum increasingly handles support virtually, making the app your best first step. Technician visits are rarely needed anymore. Also, make sure there isn't a known outage in your area. Check the Spectrum website or app for outage maps.